This March is going to be crazy. Spring forward with an incredible savings on a 2021 Chevy Bolt. Save up to $17,446 off MSRP and make it yours today. Simple, convenient charging and less maintenance make Bolt EV easy to own. And its impressive range, plus eye-catching style, spacious interior, and surprisingly strong acceleration make it fun to drive on any road. But the best part about your new Bolt EV? How fast you'll get used to driving past gas stations. Don't miss out on these great March Madness savings on the 2021 Bolt. Courtesy Chevrolet is your no dealer ads on new Chevys in-stock dealer. Our dealer ads are free. Window tint, GPS device, nitrogen, and a free 3-day exchange policy on all our new Chevrolets. Courtesy Chevrolet has been awarded the 2020 J.D. Power Dealer of Excellence 3 years in a row. We are here to exceed your expectations. Experience the Courtesy way at Courtesy Chevrolet. Visit us on 12th Street and Camelback or online at courtesychev.com.